Yo guys, what is going on, and thank you for checking out the video. It is a freaking beautiful night here. It's so warm out, so I figured I'd go out, get some more practice in, because we're trying to get some practice in every day, baby. Practice being wheelies, of course, if you're not familiar with this channel, but we love to do wheelies. Now guys, I do need to take a moment to apologize. This is like every other YouTube apology. It's like, I'm so sorry. Apologize because my SD card, the one that's made for this GoPro, it took a crap on me basically. It stopped working. So I used an old SD card in my last video, but that's like not basically fast enough for this camera. So long story short, the footage was like really choppy and the frame rate didn't look good. So I'm sorry about that for last video, but we got a new one and we back now. Get back in the center. Come on. What are these things? Scooters, bicycles, e-bikes? I guess they're e-bikes, right? Yeah, e-bikes. He's got a full face helmet on though. He's legit. Oh, my eyes are watering. My contacts are gonna fall out. I want to put down my goggles, but it's too dark for them now. Alright, I'm gonna pull off here, let some traffic go by. There we go. Slow it down. Guys, while I freaking absolutely love this tank bag, even though I forget to close it all the time, the one complaint I gotta say is when you're out here ripping wheelies, dude, these buckles here, they totally press onto your legs. So like you squeeze your legs here, and I just have black and blue marks on my inner thighs literally all the time because of it. Other than that, it's great. I actually made a whole video on it, but yeah, they totally get me all bruised up because I'm just clenching it basically. What up? What size is that? 300. 200? It's 3. Oh, it's big. Bigger than this. Yep. I'll give him a wheelie. That bike's bigger than mine, a little Kimco 300. Okay, so the mini goal today is just really to see how far back we can get. Meaning like pushing to and past balance point is kind of the goal, I would say. All right, open lot. That felt pretty good actually. Those people were scared I was gonna freaking ramp off the edge, I bet. Hands are already tired. Gotta go hit forearms in the gym. Kept it up over those speed bumps. I can't complain about that. Oh, that could have been bad. Oh, that was a bit of a close call, huh? Glad I didn't mousetrap. Probably could rip some good donuts right here, actually. Oh, I'm so scared of hitting my head. This is so low. This guy is about to complain. I'll leave. He's like, get out of here. I love this little corporate friggin' parking lot. Just my little playground. I think we can climb these stairs, but can we climb them? Can we take it with no hands? Oh, so I guess I'm gonna go back this way. get a nice, good, slow one. I don't know what I'm freaking doing. It's pissing me off, though. Feeling good about this one. Real ringer. That's where we want to be. See, that's a little bit better. Alright, so rule of thumb is generally, if you think you're far enough back, you still need to go back a lot. Because, like, I'm still not at balance point. Like, not good enough. That's why we're out here practicing, though. Smart car. Practice makes progress, right? That's what they say. So guys, I need this deliberate type of practice here where I'm just straight up practicing balance point. Ay, man. I'm getting tired. Fucking fucker, fuck. Oh, guys, I'm just getting pissed off at myself now. Is it too much to ask? Just requires so much practice. That's wrong! Like, I'm right there, and then I'm just like too much of a baby. I tap the brake too much and go back down. Like, just sit at balance point, bro. Stop being such a freaking baby. Sit here, yeah, sit here. Sit, stay. No, bad dog. Oh, I'm losing my mind. Stay. No, come back. Yes. Ah, that was scary. They say to be good at something, to really succeed, you gotta be crazy. I've got the crazy part. Now we're just waiting for the success part, I guess. Back, yes. Back. That's it. Stay back. Get it back up. Slowly losing my mind. Alright, this feels good. Quite good, actually. Alright. I'll be happy with that to be done for now. Watch this. What do we got here? Let's go see where they're going. Dirt bike, skate park. Where you guys about to ride? Nowhere, just around? Got you. You do wheelies on that? No?
Started riding like 2 months ago.
Okay, so you're just learning. It's a big bike to learn on.
Listen, I've never rode on the back of a dirt bike before, or any kind of bike. May I?
I'm good. Yeah, I don't take people on the back, sorry.
I think that is a no.
Yeah, sorry, dude. Yeah, nice meeting you, dude. Have a good night.
You willies on that?
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah. Still learning, still working on it. That's just out practicing tonight.
I never seen that bike either.
Yeah. What's up?
Cool.
Connor.
Jose.
Jose, nice to meet you, man. And what's your name?
Carlos.
Carlos? Do you have an Instagram? I can get your Insta, and
KX.
I'll hit you up if I'm ever out riding. Shout out to those guys. They were cool. Alright, I don't know where the fuck I want to go now. It's just too hot at this point, honestly. Might have to call it, but hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you next time. Peace.
Yeah. Dior, Gucci, Roy, Tusi. She's a movie but means nothing to me. A-list singer.